class bracket open close data. Let me see something. Run it. Control Enter will run for you. You don't need to move to that side. So you see it's a data frame.
Okay.
But it has to be a TST. That's why line 28 converts the data to TST. Okay.
Okay.
And what you should know is that you have to, the decompositions are done one by one per variable.
Okay.
So when you want to, which one you want to decompose, you convert it to TS time series, then you decompose. So from your data, you can pick out the columns. Let's look at your head. Yeah, so the first one is SP500. So you can pick out SP500 in line 28.
Oh, this is line 28.
Yeah, so you can change the object. So you can change the object name, the one on the left, or keep it, it doesn't matter.
Is it fine?
You also run it. So all the variables in your table, you have to convert them to TS before you decompose. Okay, so let's work with line 28.
Okay.
Okay, so now that you have converted, so your data is the one you can decompose is SP data, right?
Yes.
Let me check your dimension again, the dimension of your data. It's up there, the code is there. So 4520.
Yeah.
26 columns. Now, for wavelets in general, you can know how many decompositions you can have by using log base 2 to the length of the data. So it means that you are going to use log base 2 4520 to know how many scales you can have. Yes, that's what it is anyway.
Excuse me, 12. I think we
4520, comma 2. So it's 12. So what is it?
yeah.
So that's why I see where it says J, line 32.
Line 32 is
33.
WF 33, yes.
So that's where you put the 12.
Oh, okay.
But it doesn't mean it will give you the 12. So that's the theoretical length that you can use. When you run the estimation, it may give you less. Okay.
Oh, okay.
But theoretically, that's the maximum number of scales you can use. It doesn't mean you should use all of them. You can choose any number that you want. However, this is the maximum you can choose.
Okay.
Are you following? And the WF is the filter. Every wavelet or every decomposition or transformation has a filter. And this one is called the least asymmetric filter of length 8. That's what you see as LAH. In fact, the full name is Dobeshi's least asymmetric filter of length 8.
Okay.
So that's it. So you can run 32 and 33. Okay, now you can change. So you can change the line 35 is. So you are transforming what? SP500, right?
Yes.
Which is SP data. Yeah. So you change that to SP data.
Now, as it says, you obviously don't qualify. Course of your opinion. Oh, you understand the story. Oh, okay. Okay, love this conversation.
Yeah, and on the left side, you can choose whatever you want. Maybe you can do gold. No, you can do SP_MODWT.
Right.
Yeah, so the function is MODWT. If you run it, it will decompose for you. So let's do it. Yeah, it's done. So you want to look at it, how it looks like. So check. Yeah. No, you have to use the code. Change the, now everything is SP underscore MODWT. So if you want to see.
SP. So it means I have to say SP on
Yes.
36 SP.
From that point, everything is SP. Because you have changed the name.
Look, like I said, as it stands, only consideration as far as taking. I'll just make a note on the next call.
Okay.
Or your attendance. And like I said, I'll be recording for consideration. Now,
okay, I see that one, Doc.
Yeah, so you have D1 all the way to S12, right?
Yeah.
So in decomposition, there's always a residual scale, which is the S.
Okay.
So you have the 12 that you want plus an extra one. That's what you see. So now, what is it? The way they are, you cannot write them to Excel, so you have to convert them to a data frame because they are currently MODWT class.
Okay.
So from line 40, we convert them into a data frame so that we can save it to Excel and use it later for whatever we want.
Okay.
Following. So,
yeah.
So now your data is going to be what? You are going to, so you see the one in green?
Yes, I see the one in green.
So that's the name of the columns you want to give to each of the scales, but that's not important. So you can delete all of that and you start with SP underscore. So all the greens you delete, including the equal sign and the quotations.
Oh, including the equal sign and the quotations.
Yes.
Then I say SP here.
One quotation is left. Delete everything. Close that space there. So it's SP, everything is now SP. Then $1, $D1 all the way to $D12, right? You see how this is going?
Okay, so this green one I remove as well, is it?
All of them, all the green ones, because when you finish in Excel, you can always change the names in the data, in the columns. So you are doing that all the way to D12. Look at the names down there, the names in the output page.
Yes, yes, I see them.
D1 to D to S12. That's the ones you are using. So make sure you capture all of them.
So the S comes to the end, isn't it?
S is the last one. So S was It's going to do all the way to D4, then you have to the E4.
Are you there, Doc?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. So I've done it.
What is the S7 doing there? And close the bracket. Close the bracket. So make sure you've counted and all the comments are in place.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, so there are 12.
Yeah. Now look at the name you are giving. I don't think that's the name you want to give. So give it a name.
So I can just give it SP1.
Yeah, whatever. As long as yeah, you can give it that name.
So should I run it?
Yes, run it. Okay, I've done. So you can look at it now.
Sorry, you're going faint, Doc?
You can look at the data now that you've run it.
Okay, I see the data.
So what is the next line? What is 48?
Sorry?
Line 48. So line 48.
Okay, line 48.
So 48, you are saving the file into Excel on your working in your folder on your PC. So put the right name there and then you can go and look at it.
That's SP1. Oh.
You can give it whatever name you want there.
Okay. SP2.
That's fine. So run that line. So go to your working directory and open it. Let's see.
To my working directory.
On your PC.
Okay.
So you do it for all the variables in the table or all the variables that you want to work with.
Yeah, so this is what I'm getting.
Yeah, that's it. It's your Excel. You can delimit it, right? Don't close.
Yes.
You know how to separate them into columns?
Yes, I should be able to.
No, not insert. Highlight the first column. I'll show you. Highlight the first column.
Okay.
Then you are going to go to text to columns.
Text to columns.
Yeah, just go to your right, go all the way to your right, you see it. You passed it. Yeah.
There.
Yes. Then the delimit next. Jacobus, next, delimited next.
Okay.
So what is separating them? Is it a comma?
It's a comma.
Yeah, so choose comma. That's it. Then you can go to next and finish. Yes. So you don't need the first column. You can just delete the first column and the rest. So this is your decompositions.
Okay.
And remember, so this is daily data, right?
Yes.
So with your data, it is your skills are 2 power j, where j is 1 to 12 in this case.
Yes.
2 power j, right? So 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, all the way to 2 power 12. And your this data is daily, right?
Yes.
So each of them, you refer to them as days. So the first one will be dynamics for 2 days. The second will be for 4 days. The third one will be for 8 days. The fourth one will be for 16 days, like that. That's how you interpret the skills.
Oh, okay.
You follow? You said you've done wavelets before, anyway. So
Yeah.
when whatever you want to do, you can use these decompositions to do those things, whether it's entropy, whether it's regression or connectedness, like BK we did. You can use these things to do those.
Oh, okay.
But this is specifically wavelet decomposition, so you have to note it.
Yeah.
Very good. So that is it for wavelet decomposition. So you can use this data for whatever you want.
Okay. So I just.
So if you are using, you are decomposing for all the others, it means that whatever you are using them for, the skills should correspond. So if you take the next data, which is DJI 530, right? And you decompose. If you are doing regression, for example, then V1 and V1 for SP500 should correspond to V1 for DJI 30.
Oh, okay.
Exactly. So that you are working at the same skills for all the variables, or the variables that you are putting together. Are you following?
So let's say I'm doing a BK, so it means it will be a long thing, isn't it?
Exactly. If you are using, so I will advise that you use this for BK, because BK will do its own decomposition, remember?
Okay.
Oh, I don't use this. I don't have to use this for BK, is it?
Yes, because BK does its own decompositions.
Okay.
So you can use for something like quantum regression or entropy or what? Anything, anywhere you feel is useful, you can use it.
Okay.
But should you be successful?
As long as I make sure that it matches.
Yes, they should match.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So that's it for the wavelet decomposition. If that's okay, we can move on to the EMD decomposition.